Installing a fan control board and fan cage. To install the fan control board, align the fan control board with the guide pins on the chassis, and then lower the board and slide it in until the guide pins are seated in the small opening of the keyholes. Fasten the thumb screw to secure the fan control board. Connect the cables to the fan control board. To install the fan cage, push the fan cage toward the chassis until the guide pin is seated in the large opening of the guiding slot on the fan cage. Lower the fan cage down into the chassis. Fasten the 2 thumb screws to secure the fan cage. Reinstall all the fans. Reinstall the following components: processor air baffle, all the PCIe assemblies, if applicable the internal drive cage, top cover, if applicable the security bezel. Refer to the Installing a Processor Air Baffle video to complete the parts replacement.